Thanks to the SoundViewer technologies, we can now diagnose and analyze the various complex noise sources and visualize their results in 3D space in real time. In particular, we can conduct quantitative analysis at very low frequencies, for example below 200 Hz, and still obtain super resolution in source localization, determine the source strengths, and conduct measurements in the presence of random background noise and interfering signals. In other words, we can perform these tests at a very low or even negative signal-to-noise ratio. Shown here is an example of using SoundViewer to analyze a motorcycle rumbling noise at variable speeds. Thank you. For more information, please contact Dr. Sean F. Wu at seanwu@signal-wise.com.